Some of you people say, oh, I don't want the hands-on. For you to fly somewhere, pay for a hotel, sit in a class, and it's not worth it. You can do it right from the comfort of your own home. So in our course, you get a lifetime access to the course as well. So if you ever forget any part of it, you could go right to that part. At a customer's house, if you forget anything, you can do it and watch a little video on it, and you can refresh your memory. So any type of situation you come on, one guy sent me a picture of like a barn, and the guy wants 2 doors on it. I think he had to put a post in and all that. I told him how to do it. He did the job. He got like $15,000 for it. We teach you the method of doing it. See all these garage doors going up and down? You wonder why none of them ever just fall off the track, because there's a method. That's why it works every time. Once you learn that method, keep doing it and doing it and doing it. You won't even be thinking about it. You'll just be doing the method. So anyone can do this. Even girls are doing this. That's good. Some guy telling you to go pick this up, go do that. You're like a robot just doing what they're telling you to do. If you're that way, you're really not going to be cut out for any business if you just want to be told what to do. And that's it. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.